I know you've seen several creators talk about buying and selling shoes from department stores like Ross, Marshalls, and even TJ Maxx. The whole idea is finding shoes in these locations and then flipping them or selling them for profit on places like eBay, StockX, Go, and places like that. So today I'm gonna actually go to those stores and see if I can find some big flips. And if nothing else, I can show you my process, show you what shoes I look for, and just honestly prove to you that there are shoes, even though if they're not big flips, there are shoes in there that you can sell for profit. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna check out 3 stores. We're gonna check out Ross, Burlington, and maybe Marshalls, just to see what they got, just to show y'all the process of how to get some quick flips and how to even find flips in these stores. So let's go ahead, put our mask on, and let's get it. And so I thought we came close to a flip with them Vans, bro. They stood out to me because I had never really seen them before. That just gauged my interest. The only reason I turned them down was because the dirty sole at the bottom. And I easily could have took them home and cleaned them, but the whole purpose of this is just for me to show y'all how y'all can go in these stores and boom, find quick flips and see what these shoes are selling for. So we about to try another store. We about to try Kohl's. I don't think I've ever remember seeing shoes in Kohl's, but it's worth the try. So let's see what they got. All right, man, so just a note to self and a note to you, do not waste your time in Kohl's. So another thing that I need you to understand and figure out is where you're gonna sell the shoes. And listen closely and follow along, because this is important and it's very vital to what you're doing. So when you're buying shoes from Ross or department stores like that where shoes don't come in the original box, then you have to sell them on eBay. You can't sell them on StockX. Now, when you're searching for shoes to sell on StockX, Marshalls, places like that that has the original box with the shoe is where you're gonna find those. However, be aware at places like Marshalls, because if they've been tried on too many times and sort of have a dirty heel or something like that, you might not be able to sell them on StockX. That's just something to keep in mind when you're out and about looking for shoes to source. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out another Ross, and then we're gonna check out this Marshalls over here, because we kind of L'd out on our last location. So let's head on over there. All right, so while we didn't find the flip of flips there, we did see some shoes that did have more value than what they were selling for in the store. So that's what I'm sort of trying to do with this series as well, is just kind of, show you, because honestly, it does take a lot of work, and I'm just, jumping out real quick to see what I can grab. But that just goes to show you that there are not huge flips all the time, but if you search enough, you can find a bunch of flips. So now let's try this Ross out. So I just took a big L at this Ross. Yeah, no sir, not worth it. All right, so as you can see, your boy took some L's today. I couldn't really find any huge flips, and honestly that's okay, because it's rare that you're gonna be able to find those type of flips all the time. And then I could have fine-tuned my process as well. For example, the second Ross I went to, I need to go back and find out when they get their new shoes in, because they are a new location, and it looks severely picked over. So it's honestly just a matter of me finding that out. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this video in the comments. Let me know if y'all like this style of video. I plan on doing more challenges, more hands-on type stuff. So I appreciate everybody out there who's been rocking with me so far. If you like my content, if it brings you any value, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out another one of these videos about sneaker reselling if you want to get serious about becoming a reseller. So that's gonna do it for tonight. I love everybody out there. Let's get it.